Hi everybody, we're back with the new Mini models for 2021 because we have lots more great new things to show you. For one, how to tap further into the potential of your Mini with the updated Mini app. It adds and enhances some absolutely convenient and practical features to connect to your vehicle. And also, your very own driving experience in the Mini will be more convenient, more efficient, and exciting with new Mini digital services. Not just the design of the new Mini model speaks of modern and purified Mininess. No, also the functionality has made a big leap in timeliness with a more digital driving environment. As we all know and love it, infotainment in your Mini evolves around the Mini center instrument. The bigger screen diameter of 8.8 inches is now standard for the center instrument display. On it, you can see and also interact with a whole new generation of Mini operating system. Cutting-edge digital vehicle interaction is presented in a cool, clear, and modern interface design. The control of the system goes new ways as well, as it is based on the tried and tested widget logic. Now that means you can configure the home screen to your needs by arranging the apps you use most on the home screen tiles. And also, the deeper menus on the center instrument display are now visualized and can be navigated in a clearer and more intuitive way. The fairly young but already tried and trusted apps in the Mini operating system come in a new look, like the weather app, for example. And there's the personalized news app that reads you the latest news you need from different sources. A very Mini idea on top of everything, this new user interface can be set in two color worlds. Now, the cool-looking lounge mode underlines the comfort and exclusiveness of your Mini experience, while the more vigorous-looking sport mode sets the visual background for letting your Mini stretch out its go-kart legs. Special efficiency features can be found in the navigation system of the electric Mini Cooper SE. And range anxiety is a thing of the past thanks to the Green Driving Assistant. In the navigation menu of the Mini Electric, you can search for public charging stations under points of interest, showing details like the type of connection, payment method, or also operator. If you select any destination, the navigation system will also show you whether you can reach it with your current state of charge. If not, the system will also suggest charge points along the route. The green route option helps you to keep your electric consumption optimized and to increase the range of your Mini Cooper SE. The range circle in the map display visualizes an indication of what points on the map you could currently reach with the electric driving range. Talking about navigation, of course, sometimes you want to search for destinations before you enter the car. For example, you might be planning your next weekend getaway from the couch at home, or from your office desk, you might want to know how to best get to your next business destination. For that, you can already search for destinations using the Mini app and send it to the navigation system in your car. But now, as an additional convenience, you can see the route you would currently be guided on already in the map tab of your Mini app. And when you're ready to drive off and you approach your vehicle in a dark parking lot and you're not sure where you left your car and you don't have your key at hand, then you can use this cool new feature added to the remote services in the Mini app. Flash your Mini's lights. There it is. A major enhancement for the Mini app is newly available for another remote service. You can now make your use of the Mini Cooper SE Hatch or Countryman SE even more efficient thanks to the charge and climate timer. Ideally, when your electric or plug-in hybrid Mini is parked, it is also plugged in to charge so that you can drive off with a full high-voltage battery. With the Mini app, you can set specific charging times for every day of the week. If you know, for example, that the energy costs at your home are lowest at a certain point at night, then you can set a rule for your Mini to charge preferably then, if it is plugged in. Under precondition for departure, you can set a week planner if you have regular times of leaving after charging. The charge and climate timer then activates the climate control in your Mini in advance for that departure time using the electricity from the charging cable. That way you can drive off in a well-tempered Mini with maximum driving range. And to be as spontaneous as ever, you can also set a one-off preconditioned timer to override the weekly schedule just for today. And in the charging history, you can keep track of past charging sessions. By monitoring duration, energy consumption, and if available, also energy costs, you can get the best possible base for efficient charge planning. If you do have to charge your fully electric or plug-in hybrid Mini out and about, the new Mini app now also conveniently helps you to pay for charging times at public charge points. Now it does this with the new scan and charge feature, which is exactly what the name says. You scan a QR code at a charging station with your Mini app, which then connects you directly to the Mini charging app with the assigned payment method. Then you confirm to authenticate and can start charging. So the Mini app is the coolest way to connect to your Mini. Furthermore, it also connects you together with your Mini to your Mini service partner. In the Mini app, you can select a Mini dealer as your preferred service partner. You can search for the dealership where you bought your Mini from or for one in your vicinity in the Map tab, and then select it as preferred with just one click. Then your dealership is always there on the Vehicle tab, and you can select it and call them directly. It's kind of like having them on speed dial. You can also schedule a service appointment online in the app within a few clicks. If the Mini app then gives you a notice about a due service for your Mini through a push notification, or you also see a service requirement in the vehicle status, then you can see and select available appointment times at your preferred service partner and set a date directly. If it's even more urgent, in the unlikely case that you need quick and uncomplicated roadside assistance, you can now call it directly from the Mini app. A click on Call Roadside Assistance connects you to a service center with the possibility to transmit your geolocation, your vehicle identification number, and your vehicle status data right along with it. This way, the support at Mini immediately has the best overview of how to help you, and if needed, can dispatch a service vehicle to your assistance to wherever you are. And in some countries, you can also follow the location of the service vehicle in the Mini app until it arrives. If you have to look up any feature or other things about your Mini, with the Mini app, you don't have to look through the printed owner's handbook. The Mini app's Vehicle tab now has a direct link to the Mini Driver's Guide app, handing over the vehicle identification number. This way, you can search for the feature you're looking for, and the app only shows you the features your Mini is actually equipped with. Soon to come, the Mini app will also integrate another touchpoint of your digital life with Amazon Alexa. From then on, you can use services from your Amazon Alexa account like music and calendar and control them with voice commands when your phone is paired with the vehicle. Alexa, how far away is the moon?
Today, the moon is 374,700 kilometers from Earth.
So what do you need to make your mobile lifestyle smarter and even more convenient? Want to connect to your Mini and Mini as a mobility partner even better? For exactly that, the new Mini app features and the all-new digital features and solutions surrounding your Mini open up great and ever-growing possibilities.